What if I told you your home might be blocking your luck right now? Yes, something as simple as the wrong energy in your space could be affecting your mood, your money, even your peace of mind. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us the solution. There are certain plants that don't just look beautiful. They're believed to attract luck, positive energy, and good vibes into your life. And the best part? They're easy to care for and perfect for any home. In today's video, I'm revealing the top 5 lucky plants that can transform your space into a magnet for positivity, success, and calm energy. Make sure you watch until the end, because number 5 might be exactly what your home is missing. 1. Lucky bamboo, the ultimate symbol of luck. Lucky bamboo is one of the most popular plants when it comes to attracting positive energy, and for good reason. This plant has deep roots in feng shui traditions, where it is believed to bring harmony, prosperity, and overall good fortune into your home. What makes lucky bamboo truly special is not just its appearance, but the meaning behind it. The number of stalks you choose can represent different aspects of life. For example, 3 stalks symbolize happiness, 5 represent health, and 8 are associated with wealth and abundance. It's like customizing your own energy flow based on what you need most. Another reason people love lucky bamboo is how easy it is to care for. It grows well in water, doesn't need direct sunlight, and can thrive even in low-light conditions. This makes it perfect for busy lifestyles or beginners who want something meaningful without too much effort. When placed correctly, lucky bamboo is believed to enhance the energy of your space. Many people position it near the entrance of their home to invite good luck inside, while others keep it in their workspace to encourage success and financial growth. Visually, it also adds a clean, minimalist vibe. Its simple green stalks can instantly make a room feel more peaceful and balanced. If you're looking for a plant that combines beauty, symbolism, and low maintenance, lucky bamboo is a powerful choice to start with. 2. Money tree. Attract wealth and opportunities. The money tree is famous worldwide as a symbol of financial success and prosperity. If you've ever seen a plant with a braided trunk, chances are it was this one. That unique design isn't just decorative. It actually represents interconnected fortune and stability. Many people believe that having a money tree in your home or office helps attract wealth, business success, and new opportunities. It's often gifted during special occasions like housewarmings or new business openings because it symbolizes growth and good fortune. One of the reasons the money tree stands out is its lush, vibrant green leaves. They create a refreshing and lively atmosphere, which naturally boosts your mood and makes your space feel more alive. A healthy plant is believed to reflect growing abundance, so taking care of it becomes part of maintaining positive energy. In terms of placement, the money tree is often kept in living rooms or workspaces. These areas are connected to productivity and financial flow, making them ideal spots to maximize its symbolic benefits. Caring for a money tree is relatively simple. It prefers indirect sunlight and moderate watering. Overwatering is one of the few mistakes to avoid, so letting the soil dry slightly between watering is key. Beyond symbolism, there's something psychologically powerful about having a plant that represents growth and success right in front of you. It serves as a daily reminder to stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward. If you want a natural way to invite prosperity into your life, the money tree is a perfect addition. 3. Snake plant. Protection and clean energy. The snake plant is often called one of the most powerful plants for protection, and it's not just about superstition. This plant is known for its ability to survive in almost any condition, making it a symbol of strength, resilience, and stability. In many cultures, the snake plant is believed to act as a shield against negative energy. Its tall, upright leaves are thought to cut through bad vibes and create a protective barrier around your space. That's why many people place it near entrances or windows, where energy flows in and out. One of the biggest benefits of the snake plant is its air-purifying ability. It helps remove toxins from the air and even releases oxygen at night, making it a great choice for bedrooms. This combination of physical and symbolic benefits makes it one of the most practical lucky plants you can own. Another reason it's so popular is how low maintenance it is. It can tolerate low light, irregular watering, and still thrive. For anyone who struggles to keep plants alive, this is a stress-free option that still delivers strong visual impact. The bold, structured look of the snake plant also adds a modern aesthetic to any room. It fits perfectly with minimalist or contemporary interiors while still bringing in that natural element. Having a snake plant in your home isn't just about decoration. It's about creating a space that feels safe, clean, and grounded. If you want a plant that works quietly in the background to protect your energy and improve your environment, this one is a must-have. 4. Pothos, flow of positive energy. Pothos is often called the energy flow plant, and once you see how it grows, it makes perfect sense. Its long, trailing vines create a sense of movement, which is believed to help circulate positive energy throughout your home. In feng shui, stagnant energy can lead to feelings of stress, laziness, or even negativity. Pothos helps break that pattern by encouraging a steady, natural flow. This makes it a great plant for areas where energy tends to feel stuck, like corners, shelves, or unused spaces. One of the best things about pothos is how adaptable it is. It can grow in water or soil, survive in low light, and still look lush and vibrant. Whether you hang it in a basket or place it on a desk, it instantly adds life to the space. Its heart-shaped leaves also carry symbolic meaning, often associated with love, harmony, and emotional balance. This makes it a great addition, not just for aesthetics, but for creating a more peaceful and connected atmosphere at home. Another advantage is how fast it grows. Watching new vines develop can feel incredibly satisfying and uplifting. It gives you a sense of progress and renewal, which naturally boosts your mood. Pothos is also known for helping improve indoor air quality, making your environment feel fresher and more comfortable. If your home feels a little dull or low energy, adding a pothos plant can completely change the vibe. It's simple, beautiful, and powerful in the way it transforms a space. 5. Peace, lily, calm, healing, and balance. The peace lily is one of the most elegant and calming plants you can bring into your home. With its deep green leaves and soft white blooms, it represents peace, purity, and emotional healing. This plant is often associated with creating a sense of calm and balance. Many people place it in bedrooms or quiet spaces because it helps promote relaxation and reduce stress. Its gentle presence can make a room feel more serene almost instantly. Beyond its symbolic meaning, the peace lily is also known for improving air quality. It helps filter toxins from the air, making your environment cleaner and healthier. This combination of physical and emotional benefits makes it a favorite among plant lovers. Caring for a peace lily is relatively easy. It prefers indirect light and will even tell you when it needs water by slightly drooping its leaves. Once watered, it quickly comes back to life, which makes it very forgiving for beginners. There's also something deeply comforting about its flowers. The white blooms stand out beautifully against the dark leaves, creating a sense of purity and renewal. It's the kind of plant that doesn't just sit in a room. It changes how the room feels. If you're looking to create a peaceful, healing environment where you can truly relax and recharge, the peace lily is the perfect choice. It's more than just a plant. It's a symbol of calm energy in your home. So those are the top 5 lucky plants that can bring positive energy, good vibes, and even prosperity into your home. Now I want to know, which one is your favorite? Or do you already have one of these in your space? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more tips on creating a beautiful, peaceful home with plants. And remember, sometimes small changes in your space can create big changes in your life. I'll see you in the next video.